Important victory. The first half was more difficult because we didn't find the space that we found in the second half. In the second half we played more intensity, and just at the end we were able to score because I think that Ingolstadt played defensively really good, and we needed to do our best to win this game. I think we did our best. Satisfied for the performance and good result that give us a lot of confidence for Wednesday. But against Arsenal is different team with different style. But I think that important will be to show the same attitude, the same character, the same personality that we showed today. What we have to improve from today, I think nothing. We did well today, and I hope to show, as I said, the same character that we showed today. Character will be the key against Arsenal. We wanted to change a little bit, to play more in between the lines with two offensive midfielders like Müller and Thiago Costa. And when the game was close, the second half, we opened a little bit using more the wingers. I think that the both situations were good. We were more efficiency with two wingers, I think, but I think that Ingolstadt spent a lot of energy to be aggressive the first half, to be compact, and the second half there was more space for this.